Hey everyone, my name is Akhilesh and I am the co-founder of SmartReach.io. SmartReach.io is a sales enablement platform that primarily helps sales teams, agencies do their outreach more effectively. Using SmartReach.io, one can send multi-channel campaigns via email, SMS, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, etc. Apart from this, we have tons of productivity features like shared inbox, detailed analytics, advanced integrations, to name a few. In this video, we will be walking through various features on our tool. This video is going to be detailedly timestamped so you can directly jump to the point of interest. We have our documentation at help.smartreach.io. Apart from this, you can always reach out to us via our chat tool on our website or directly write to us at support@smartreach.io. So without any further delay, let's jump right in.
Let us now take a look on how to create an email campaign. You can start by clicking on Create a Campaign button. The next step would be to select the type of campaign and give a campaign name. You can also assign the campaign to the other team members. Once a user clicks on Create, they are redirected to the campaign setup flow. The campaign setup can be done in 5 simple steps. Let us look at each one of these in a bit more detail. The first step is where a user can compose an email sequence. Let's start by composing an opening email. Users can add a subject line here. One can insert a merge tag where it is needed. Merge tags are the various columns that a user has uploaded to the system with the prospects. The values of these columns are replaced before the email is being sent. Users can also format their content using various available options. Users can also insert links, images, emoticons, and also insert tables. Users can even edit the HTML source code by clicking on this button. Once the email composition is completed, users can save the content as a new template so that next time they do not need to type everything out, but rather pre-fill it by selecting the template. After the opening email is composed, a campaign can be sequenced with unlimited follow-ups. The follow-up will only be sent if there is no reply from a prospect. And users also get to choose after how many days they would like the follow-up to be sent to. Users can also add multiple variants of any email sequence via the A/B testing feature. Later, the A/B test results could be analyzed in the campaign reports, and a user can get an idea of the variant that is performing well. After composing an email, a user can send a test email to check how emails in an inbox would look like. The next step after composing an email sequence is to add prospects to the campaign. Users can add prospects via various ways. They can add individual contacts by adding their details manually. One can also upload a CSV file and import their contacts. Apart from this, SmartReach integrates with various email finder tools that users can connect and import their contacts from. SmartReach has native integrations with some popular CRMs like Saleforce, Hubspot, PipeDrive, and Zoho. To know more about how to integrate these CRMs and sync prospects, you can click on this link and know the steps. The third step in the campaign creation is where users get to connect their mailboxes. Users can click here and integrate their sending email in this campaign. SmartReach natively integrates with top email providers like Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Exchange, Mailgun, and many more. If you use an email that is not listed here, Or, if your emails are on a private server, then you can furnish the SMTP and IMAP details of your email account and complete the integration. In case if a user wants to receive email replies to a different email, they can add a reply to email in a similar way. Users can also set the daily sending limits from a campaign in this step. Let us now check out the campaign settings step. Here, users can schedule when they want to run their campaigns. They can also add a fallback time zone for their prospects. If the prospects have fields like time zone or country, then SmartReach automatically detects the time zone from the prospect columns and sends email in their respective time zones. However, if such information is not available, then the emails are sent in the default fallback time zone that a user selects here. Users can also add holiday calendars along with the campaigns, so that the email sending is automatically paused during holidays, and as soon as the holiday break ends, the sending is resumed. Users can also enable an opt-out option for their prospects by adding an unsubscribe text or link. Especially in cold emailing, it is highly advisable to add an opt-out or unsubscribe link so that the prospects do not spam you. Rather, opt out. Moving forward to the next section, where users can set email priority. On a particular day, there can be certain opening emails and follow-up emails that can be chosen to prioritize. Users can also enable or disable the open and the click tracking. There are certain global sending limits in place to safeguard a particular prospect from receiving too many emails. The limits can be edited by clicking here. Proceeding to the next and the final step, preview. In this step, users can preview the campaign and make changes in the email content for prospects selectively. They can switch between various prospects and see how the campaign is looking for them. After this, the campaign is all set to get started. Once a user decides to start a campaign, they will be asked whether to start the campaign right away or at a later point of time. After selecting this, they can choose to start with or without soft start. When someone chooses to start a campaign with soft start, it basically means a gradual increase in sending activity of emails from a campaign. In this particular example, 5 emails will be sent on day 1, and the number of emails sent will be gradually increased, so that by the end of the 10th day it reaches the campaign maximum sending limit. This is particularly important because a sudden increase in sending activity is a red flag as far as spam filters are concerned. So using campaign soft start helps a user to circumvent this problem. After this, the campaign is all set to get started. SmartReach has introduced the all-new multi-channel feature. Apart from emails, users will now be able to run outreaches on other social platforms like LinkedIn, WhatsApp, SMS, and calls. Let us take a look how to launch a multi-channel campaign. From the campaign dashboard, users can click on the Create Campaign button. To create a multi-channel campaign, one has to give a campaign name. Select here and click on Create. The first step of the multi-channel is to add content. The content step is divided into various tasks. These tasks could be set up across various channels. Users can select the required channel and configure the steps on the basis of type, their priority level, and then click on Next to add the content for the channel. Once the content is added for the first channel, then more steps can be added using the same channel, or users can even add further steps on other channels too. Let us now add a LinkedIn step in this campaign. There can be various tasks that can be done on LinkedIn, like view a prospect's profile, send a connection request, send an email, or send a message on LinkedIn. Let us create another step for WhatsApp. Users will just have to select the required channel and click on Next. In every step, users can add additional notes related to the task. Moving forward, users can add the prospects in this step and have relevant fields that they need for the multi-channel campaign, like LinkedIn URL, WhatsApp number, and email address. The third step is where users have to set up the different channels that will be used in the campaign. Users can connect their mailboxes that will be used for the email step. They can connect their LinkedIn accounts, which will be used for the LinkedIn outreach step. They also get to connect their WhatsApp numbers if they have added WhatsApp as a step in the campaign. Moving to the last step, preview. Here, users are able to preview the campaign and implement any changes for their prospects selectively. After this, the multi-channel campaign is all set to start. After the campaign is launched, users can navigate to the Tasks section after a few minutes to run the multi-channel tasks. This page shows in detail about the tasks that need to be done on a present day, upcoming tasks, and the tasks that were missed. Users can even run tasks on the basis of the priority level by selecting here. Let us now try running a few tasks. To run the tasks, one needs to have the SmartReach extension installed in the Google Chrome browser. After the installation, users can run tasks one by one or select multiple tasks and click on the Run button here. After clicking, the extension automatically pops up. Once a user clicks here, they are redirected to LinkedIn in a new tab, and the task gets completed. Once the tasks are completed, they are moved to the Completed tab. If a user has created various tasks on multiple channels, then they can be viewed in their respected tabs. Users can never miss their replies using the SmartReach shared inbox. The shared inbox lets users manage multiple inboxes from a single login. Multiple team members can access and reply to emails from one common inbox. Some key features include managing multiple email inboxes at one place, single login, syncing all the emails, reply sentiments, allocation of leads within the team, prospect management, and many more. While connecting their sending mailboxes, users can choose to sync the emails to SmartReach inbox. Let us take a look at how to integrate an inbox. Users can either add their inbox by clicking here, or they can go to Settings and then click on Team Settings. After this, they can navigate to the Email Accounts section and click on Add a new email. They can continue the email integration by choosing their desired email provider. After the integration is done, the users have to choose if they want to enable the team inbox. Once they click here, this shall redirect them to set up the inbox. The setup can be done in 3 simple steps. In the first step, users have to name the inbox. In the next step, they can choose if they want to allow access to the inbox to their other team members. By selecting the Only Me option, the inbox will not be shared with other team members. But if they want to share it with the other team members, they can choose to share it with specific roles in their team. Moving to the last step of the setup, users can sync up to 50,000 old emails by enabling this button. Once they click on the Finish button, the inbox would get connected in 5 minutes. Now, with the SmartReach shared inbox, users can never miss a reply. The shared inbox not only syncs emails that are from the prospects, but also syncs the other emails from your mailbox. There are specific tabs for prospects, non-prospects, snoozed emails, marked as done, and the sent emails. Users can integrate multiple inboxes, and to view the inboxes, they can navigate to the Inbox section here. With a single login, users can access all the inboxes. They can seamlessly switch amongst the inboxes and reply to any email directly from here. While replying to any emails, one can see other emails too. Users can even perform other functions like snoozing emails, forwarding an email, or they can even compose a new email directly from the SmartReach inbox. Once a reply is received, users can mark them by adding a reply sentiment. Users can go through the email and mark the prospects based on the options available here. Later, users can choose any reply sentiment to filter all the replies attached with it. Upon reading a response, users can categorize the prospects directly from the inbox itself. The categorization options are available in the prospects details tray. Other functionalities like assigning of the prospects to the other team members can also be done from here. In the non-prospects tab, if users want to add an email to their prospect list, they can do that from here. Using SmartReach, users can efficiently organize their contacts with the prospect management features. In the Master Prospects tab, users can upload as many prospects and use it to manage their database. One can select prospects and do actions like assigning to a campaign, changing categories, changing the ownership of prospects, and a lot more. Apart from this, SmartReach has a robust filtering system. Users can create filters on the basis of various criteria. Filters can be applied based on a prospect's campaign activity, list name, prospect categories, or any other data fields. Users can even save the selected filters too. Users can save templates while creating the content in a campaign, or they can go to the templates section here and create a template and save it. The templates saved in this section can later be chosen inside a campaign. SmartReach allows integrations with top CRMs. To integrate with a CRM, users can click on Settings, then Team Settings. Then from the side pane, click on Integrations. Users can natively connect with CRMs such as Hubspot, Zoho CRM, PipeDrive, and Saleforce. Users can also connect any other CRMs via Zapier using the API key mentioned in this section. The setup is quite simple. You can find the setup-related instructions in our help documentation. Team management is a key feature in SmartReach. Particularly, it is designed for collaborative work environments. There are 3 roles available in SmartReach: owner, admin, and member. The team management feature allows team owners to invite their team members and assign them these roles. Upon sending an invite, the users shall receive an email with a link to join the account. It is important that they click on the link to add themselves into the account. Account owners will have access to every section within the tool by default, and they can restrict access on selective functions to the admins and members by clicking here. SmartReach has a perfect plan for agencies, with features like creating and managing multiple clients, managing team members across different clients, and detailed agency reporting. Users can create separate dashboards for each of their clients and manage their campaigns separately. To create a team, one has to click on Settings, then click on Agency Settings. In this section, account owners can even make changes to the other created teams by clicking on the Manage button, or click here to create new team. After this, one has to name this team, and once they click on Create, they will be redirected to the user management settings. Here they can invite their other team members into this team, add emails to send automated weekly reports, add contacts in the DNC list, and etc. There are 2 types of reports available in SmartReach: campaign-based and account-based reports. The campaign-based report gives the information on the activity going inside any campaign. Once a user clicks on any campaign, the first section itself shows the reports. The report indicates about the prospects contacted, overall email opens, replies, clicks, and etc. Apart from this, it also has detailed analytics about other important sections like templates, lists, the best time to send, click tracking, and a lot more. Users can filter these reports for a certain duration. One can even download a CSV of the report by clicking here. The account-based report is similar to the campaign-based reports, but it is a master report that gives the information about all the campaigns in the account. To access this report, simply click on the Reports section in the left panel. To view the multi-channel based reports, users can click on the Tasks section, available from the Reports page. In this section, users can find detailed analytics of the tasks in each channel. One can also view the status of completed tasks for various channels including email, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, general tasks, and SMS. This provides a comprehensive report of the complete multi-channel outreach. We hope that this demo video was helpful. You can also check out our Help Center. It is curated with detailed documentation about all the features of our tool. If you have any questions, you can drop us a chat from the Messenger button here or email us on support@smartreach.io. Thank you for watching.